Hello, teacher. My name is Erika Reyes. Um, uh, I go work individual. My partners no participation. Uh, my activity is a documentary New York 15 years after 9/11. La dedication are is one have Americans overcome the 9/11 events. I believe no, they haven't really been able get out through the terrible day because it was a traumatic. They did a lot of homeless. The question those two are American still concerned about terrorist threats. According to video, American no longer live the same why they differ fear of what makes happen. The question through how have missiles and Americans live change after the 9/11 events. With fear and contempt because Muslims living in New York are marginalized and attacked and divided. The question for what is the American government done to reduce the threat, the feeling of the community. The government has increased security that's now enough for people feel safe. The question fight what the opinion of politicians about war after 9/11. For example, President Trump wanted to send a Muslim to his country to lessen the danger. Is her. Thank you very much, teacher. Happy day.